This is how to cash out Solana from your Phantom wallet. First you want to do is head on over to the App Store, look up Phantom Wallet, and update and install this app. Not only that, whatever app that you use to store your crypto, you're going to want to install that as well. So for my instance, I'm using Coinbase, so I'm going to update and install Coinbase is where all my crypto will be, or I want to deposit into. Or another one that works as well, or an example, is Binance as well. Alright, once you've done that, let's go and open up the Phantom Wallet. But once you're here on the Phantom Wallet, we're going to go and press on Send. We're going to press on Solana. Once you press on Solana, it's going to ask you for a name or address. So we're going to head on over to wherever we keep our crypto and log into our account on there. So that can be my Binance or Coinbase, etc. I'm using Coinbase for this example, so let's go and open up Coinbase. All right, whatever app you will be using, we're going to go to our search and look up Solana. Once you find it, press on it. Once you're on the Solana graph, we're going to go at the bottom here where it says transfer. Press and receive. And here this will be your Solana network address. This is exactly what we need in order to continue in the Phantom Wallet app. So we're going to copy this address, head on back over to the Phantom Wallet where we left off, and paste that address in. Once you've done that, press on next. Once you're here, we're going to enter the amount of Solana that you currently have, and then press on next and go through the final conclusion steps of cashing out your Solana using your Phantom Wallet.